Hey friends, I am here at my buyer's house that we are going to be doing a walkthrough today. And this is something that came out of the inspection that I thought was something that was important that people might learn from, as I did as well. But this previous seller had vines and shrubs all around the back of the house, and they cut them back prior to listing the property. And unfortunately, all the vines had grown underneath of the siding of the home, which has now pushed the siding out, as well as left a bunch of dead wood underneath of the siding, which is obviously an attraction for termites. So this is something I wanted people to be aware of and just watch for your own property or for other properties here in the future. So I'm going to show you here with my camera what it looks like. So here I am at the back of the house, and you can see here what it looks like. But if you get really close, you can see that they had a bunch of shrubs, and here's underneath of the house and underneath of the siding, all of the dead wood that is a magnet now for termites. So obviously it's important for these buyers to treat for termites, but at this point, you cannot get this out from underneath of the siding, and you can see it's actually pushed the siding away from the house a little bit because of this large area of wood. So something important to consider when you are planting shrubs behind a home. You don't want to plant them too close because it does definitely soak up a lot of moisture from your foundation, as well as potentially grow up underneath the siding. So hope you guys are having a great day.